Yellowstone County will not implement further restrictions once the current health order expires Friday at midnight.
As we adjust to life with COVID-19, no symptom is too minor to be ignored.
Health Officer John Felton says we must all continue to social distance, track our symptoms if we have them, know where we've been, and do our parts as we open our communities. Now, Felton making it very clear that even though businesses may open soon, it doesn't mean we can let our guard down. Q2's Russ Riesinger joins us now with more. Russ.
Yellowstone County Health Officer John Felton said he has no intention of amending the governor's order at this time, but he could under Montana law if it became clear that the virus was starting to overwhelm hospitals and spreading in other vulnerable populations. He did say as businesses begin to open again here in Billings and across Montana that we can expect to see more cases of COVID-19, but that won't necessarily mean more restrictions.
As businesses reopen and people adjust to this new normal, we expect to see new cases of COVID-19. We expect to see more positive cases. We also expect to see more cases of COVID-19 because we're expanding our testing protocols to include more symptomatic people.
Felton says that more than half of Yellowstone County restaurants, bars, casinos, and other food service establishments have filed their reopening plans with Riverstone Health. There are new limits on how many people can enter and how they can be seated. Felton says guidance is also being given to salons, and there will also be materials to help places of worship with their plans soon. Meanwhile, he's asking everyone to continue to social distance and also keep a daily log of where you've been and who you were with in hopes of stopping any outbreaks sooner.
All of us need to be able to answer that question as we begin to reopen things. Whether you use online calendars, calendar apps, or just the old-fashioned paper calendar, we're going to ask you to keep track of where you've been, when you went, how long you were there, and who you were with.
Felton asking all of us to continue to do our parts. He says failure to do so will mean more sick people, increased demand on health care and social service systems, and more families burying their loved ones ultimately. In Billings, I'm Russ Riesinger reporting for MTN News.
Thanks, Russ. Now, tomorrow, the Economic Response and Recovery Branch of the COVID-19 Command will share more tools for our business community.